Hello, this is second grade, lesson 3. Let's first start with the number series. We have to fill in the blanks with the missing numbers. Let's look at number 1. We have blank, 4, 6, blank, 10, and blank. And to know how to fill in the blanks, we have to see the patterns. 4 plus 2 is 6. So it would be 2 because 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 6 plus 2 would be 8. And 8 plus 2 would be 10. And 10 plus 2 would be 12. So the answers are 2, 8, and 12. Let's look at number 5. There are 3, 6, 9, blank, blank, and 18. And if you look at the pattern, we can see that the numbers are adding up by 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. And 15 plus 3 is 18. So the answers are 12 and 15. Let's look at the next part. For this part, we have to find the value of the underlined digit. Let's look at number 1. 8 is underlined. So we have to write 8. Let's look at number 5. 9 is underlined, but it is on the tens place, so we have to write 90 instead of 9. Let's look at number 11. 2 is underlined, and it is on the ones place, so we have to write 2. Let's move on to the next page. For this page, we have to compare the numbers. Let's look at number 1. We have to compare 3 and 8. And since 8 is larger than 3, we have to draw this symbol to show that 8 is greater than 3. Let's look at number 5. We have to compare 20 and 15 plus 3. 15 plus 3 is 18. And 20 is larger than 18, so we have to draw this symbol to show that 20 is larger than 18. Let's look at number 11. We have to compare 15 minus 10 and 19 minus 14. 15 minus 10 is 5. And 19 minus 14 is also 5. So we have to draw an equal sign to show that these numbers are equal. Let's move on to the next page. For this part, we have to write the sum and then circle whether the number is odd or even. Let's look at number 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In this part, we have 1, 2, and 3 in this part. And when we add 5 and 3, we get 8. So 8 is the answer, and 8 is even number, so we have to circle even. Let's look at number 3. We have 1 and 2 on this part, and we have 1, 2, and 3 on this part. And when we add 2 and 3, we get 5. So the answer is 5. Number 5 is odd numbers, so we have to circle odd. Let's move on to the next page. For this part, we have word problems. Let's look at number 1. Justin ordered 8 milkshakes. His sister drank 5 of the milkshakes. How many milkshakes does he have now? To find out how many milkshakes are left, we have to subtract 5 from 8. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So 3 milkshakes are left. Let's look at number 4. Christina picks 38 of the 72 apples in our garden. How many apples are left for her to pick in the garden? To know how many apples are left for her to pick, we have to subtract 38 from 72. And when we subtract 38 from 72, we get 34. So 34 apples are left. Thank you.